you see it yet?
I think so. I don't know, it's just so dark down here.
Check your HUD. It should be right in front of you.
Oh, here it is. Sorry that took me so long.
It's okay. Take your time.
I know, it's just so many people are waiting for me to get this fixed.
Don't think about that. Just stay focused on the task at hand. You can only solve one problem at a time, and you're doing great.
Okay, last step. I really couldn't do this without you, Baker.
Goes both ways, Thompson. We all appreciate you fixing this.
Okay, this should do it.
Ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
I'm just happy to help, Laura.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Just in time for dinner.
Thanks, Dad.
Did Mommy save Christmas?
She did save Christmas.